And welcome back to Local 4 News. The Oakland County Bar Association is giving back to the community this month by offering free legal advice. Free. Throughout the month, the local organization has hosted free legal aid clinics aimed at providing accurate information to those people who need it. And the very last clinic is coming up. It wraps up this week in Lake Orion. And joining me now to talk more about that and see whether or not this program may benefit you is the president of the Oakland County Bar Foundation, Mr. Dan Quick. Good morning.
Good morning, Lauren.
Thanks so much for getting up so bright and early on a Sunday morning to share this information. I said this is the no legalese zone, so we're going to break it down and make it simple for people.
I'm going to work real hard at it.
Because the legal process can be intimidating, the wheels of justice can be complex. So tell us why this is an important event for people and what sort of questions they can get answered.
Well, the most important part is it's free. And you've already stressed that, but that's really important to folks because a lot of times people will have questions that they think maybe a lawyer can help them out with, but they're intimidated, they don't know if they want to spend the money. This is what this clinic is for. Okay. So people can come in, get question answered, and if necessary, maybe get hooked up with an attorney who will help them out on a longer term problem.
So let's talk about what sort of questions people should expect to be able to bring and get answered, and are there some questions that are off limits?
Well, we get really everything from landlord-tenant issues, will, trust, and estate questions, a lot of bankruptcy and creditor problems. If you've got a creditor hounding you, what are your rights? But we also have issues with folks trying to get medical care maybe for a sister and they need to get a guardianship in place so they have some rights to help a family member. We've helped somebody get an old criminal offense, a 53-year-old criminal offense, expunged off their record. So there's really a broad array of services.
Okay, and will the issues that will be discussed be held in confidentiality? We talked a little bit about that before.
Yeah, absolutely. Attorneys know their job, and one of them is to keep everything confidential for their clients. And there's no time limit. So if sometimes it's a quick answer, but if it takes 20 minutes to talk through an issue and get somebody steered down the right path, okay, nobody's going to be moving them along.
This is not like 2-minute speed dating.
Right, exactly.
2-minute attorney counseling, which really brings me to my next question. I thought that if this person has an issue that really needs follow-up, because clearly a lot of legal issues take filings, it takes time, what will happen in that case? Is the goal to wrap up that day, or can they expect to be followed up with?
Well, we found a lot of times people just have a question, they get an answer, they get steered the right direction, and that's all they need. But we will have some partners there. The Legal Aid and Defender Association and the Family Law Assistance Program are two of them. So they will help people if they need a relationship to go beyond that day, help them get hooked up with somebody and take care of them.
I wonder why they wanted to do this pro bono. Well, that's legalese, for free.
For free. Well,
this is not the first time probably either.
Well, no, we host 6 of these a year in addition to many other programs throughout Oakland County. This is funded by a group called the Oakland County Bar Foundation, which is a lot of lawyers coming together, contributing their time and money, okay, and then the Oakland County Bar Association actually hosts it. One of our jobs as lawyers is to help citizens, help access to the courts, help the rule of law, and this is one of the ways we give back.
And if they are as approachable as you are, then this should make the process very easy. We appreciate you coming. And take a look at the screen here. May 20th again is the date. That's this Tuesday from 4:30 to 7 o'clock, being held at St. Joseph Catholic Church, 715 North Lapeer. And again, these are one-on-one legal consultations. This is important information. Thank you so much.
Thanks for helping us out.
We really